Hello everyone, this video is designed to give you a solid primer on the topic of exposure in photography. And exposure is comprised of three variables, including aperture, shutter speed, and ISO, which together control the amount of light which hits the film. Aperture is the size of the lens opening and also controls the depth of field in an image. Shutter speed is the duration of the exposure, usually measured in a fraction of a second. And ISO is the measurement of how sensitive the film is to light. These three variables work together inside your camera to manipulate an exposure. To be creative with photography, you sometimes need to override your camera's internal decision-making process, and the key to this is understanding exposure. Sometimes you might want to have the shadows plunged into darkness, or you're willing to let the brighter parts of the image wash out to reveal more of the darker bits. Sometimes you might want to blur out the background when shooting a portrait, or flatten out the picture plane when shooting a landscape. Understanding exposure is key to knowing how to achieve each of these effects. We're going to look at each of these three variables of exposure in greater detail in order to give you a sense of how to be creative with photography.